Busch Gardens is proud to present One Family, One World.
Come on in, hear the sound. This is where it all begins. Feel the waves gather round. This is where the future lives.
Welcome to the 30th Annual Boys and Girls Club Dinner. Tonight we come together to celebrate our culture and support the future stars of our community.
Come join us on this journey as we learn that we are all one family in one world.
Looking up to the planets in the sky, come down, can you look me in the eye? Can you feel the rhythm of the ocean's ebb and flow?
It's time to get from here to there. We can make a difference everywhere you go. I'm all around you.
This is our time right now.
Can you hear me calling? Come on in, hear the sound. This is where it all begins. Feel the waves gather around. This is where the future
which way to go.
So I'll come here
to give you a hand
and lead you into the promised land.
Come on and take a free ride.
Free ride.
Come on and stand here by my side. Come on and take a free ride. Come on and take a free ride.
Free ride.
Come on and stand here by my side. Come on and take a free ride.
free ride, free ride.
Living in Tampa, we have a restaurant that is more than just a place to eat. It is a part of our history. The Columbia restaurant has delighted countless guests since opening its doors in 1905, keeping alive the Spanish culture through its food, music, and dance. We'd like to thank Richard Gansmart for his support and contribution to the city, as well as the Boys and Girls Club of Tampa Bay.
Here's a situation big to every nation. Nobody ever made me feel the way that you do. You know my motivation, giving my reputation. Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm loving you. Oh, you know that 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 tonight I'm loving you. Ooh, ooh, that tonight I'm loving you. Ooh, ooh.
Busch Gardens also celebrates our diverse culture through music and dance. Let me introduce you to my party people in the club. Ha, ha, ha.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get confused. No, cause you will lose, yeah. Now.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break a sweat on the floor, yeah. We work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running tonight on the floor. Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa. Dance the night away, your night can stay on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. La 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 la. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor.
The Columbia Restaurant, Busch Gardens, and the Boys Club contribute greatly to Tampa's culture. We strive to create an experience that enriches and enlightens local families.
It doesn't matter where you're from, we all share in this beautiful world and we are all part of one family. On behalf of Busch Gardens, Outback Steakhouse, and Tampa Bay Boys and Girls Club, we would like to thank you for being here tonight and supporting these wonderful young men and women and the future of our one world.
Whether it's rock and roll or old soul,
Disco, calypso,
suit and tie, tie-dye,
snakeskin, Timberlands,
tight fade, a long braid,
yellow, black or white.
We all get down tonight. I'm telling you, ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you, ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I don't know what I've been told. When the music gets down in your soul, it makes you want to lose control. And there ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you, ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm telling you, ain't nothing wrong with that.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
Well, all I can say there is wow. That was like straight out of Dancing with the Stars. What about a big hand for them?